I, in fact, did not think that you would be doing such a great honor to me. And you have also gifted me with a handsome amount of 1 lakh rupees, which I promise that it will go to where the child deserves. In fact, I have in the last couple of months been working on children, adolescent children in the ages of 14 to 18 years, especially girls. And I'm looking at the struggle that they're going through to attain education and to complete something like class 10 and class 12. Some of them deserve this kind of a small token of appreciation, and I will certainly let you know who they are. I would also like to take this occasion to congratulate the State Bank of India, a pioneering institution which has its deep roots everywhere. In fact, in deep roots in the most difficult of circumstances. I have seen the banks exist in areas of civil unrest, and some of us have banked there as well. So you have really very brave officers working under very, very difficult circumstances, and I congratulate you for that. I know that I should not use this occasion for making personal appeals and demands. It's neither an appeal or demand, but I do hope you're with me on the issue of children and their rights. And I do hope that each one of you is not employing children in your own homes. And when I say children, I mean all children below 18 years. It, as Honorable Justice Sengupta ji knows, the Juvenile Justice Act does not allow children below 18 to be working. Although the Child Labour Act covers children only up to 14, if you use the Bonded Labour Act, if you use the Juvenile Justice Act, it's illegal to employ children. So I do hope all staff of the State Bank of India are with me today to say that they will abhor child labor, and if they find anybody employing child labor, they will just say that this is illegal and it violates the law, it even violates the Constitution. May I also make one more request, because yes, activists like us use occasions like this to make our appeals. When a bank gives its loans, it would be good to find out if the firm that is taking the loan is not employing children. A little kind of an evaluation, a little kind of an assessment would go a long way in ensuring that every child in our country goes to school and enjoys her right to education. The best defense, the best security that can be for children is education. The best security for children, for a nation, is children's defense. And in children's defense is national security, national defense. And I do hope each one of you join hands to make this country a proud country and a country where every child goes to school. Thank you very much for giving me this honor.